Okay, hi guys. So we're at the Linkerbot stage. We're here with Bella. We're going to give us a quick overview of what Linkerbot do and some of the technology and where they're from. So Bella, to start with, yeah, just give us an overview of the company. You said it was around 5 years old, and obviously your main speciality is hands.
Right.
Yeah.
So our company is a company which make hands, like
Yeah.
which focuses on hands, and we based in Beijing.
Yeah.
Right. And we have around 300 technicians.
Oh wow, so you're really big.
A lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really big. Yeah. Yeah.
And the company in total would be around like 400 people,
Right. Okay.
employees.
So it's quite big growth, like over 5 years.
Yeah.
Especially as you specialize on just the hands.
Right.
So,
And
yeah.
also arms, but arms are actually sporting hands.
Right, I'm with
And
you.
also gloves.
Right.
Right.
So I'm guessing this is all to do with the degrees of freedom,
Uh-huh.
and you have a range of hands that go up. So what's the less degree of freedom and the most degrees of freedom you guys do?
So from 11, like around 10 to 20.
The 20.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
But what's
That one
the
is 20.
That's a 20.
Yeah,
Okay.
21.
And then, yeah, the thumb is quite an important part, isn't it, of the actual hand. Just keep an eye on those guys. So take us through the sort of the products that are the most popular for you guys then.
Yeah, so it all have like different features.
Okay.
This one is super light. It's the lightest in the world, and it's the most powerful one.
Right. Oh,
Yeah.
powerful, as in strength.
Yes,
Okay.
it can lift up to 30 kilograms.
30.
It's
Wow.
a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot. Yeah,
So
yeah.
30, like sometimes 50 would be fine.
Really? Yeah, yeah. But that's the lightest one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the lightest. It's
Okay.
about only 370 grams.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So light but power. Yeah.
Mhm,
And then the degrees of freedom on this
It's
one.
11.
That's 11. Right.
6
Okay.
active plus 5 passive.
Right. Okay. Okay. And then if we move up to the black one.
Yeah, so this one is also 11 like freedom, but the feature with that would be it's a fastest, like the most fast one, moves fastly.
Right.
Yeah.
How much faster does it move compared to that one?
You can see like from the in
Up on the actual thing.
comparison.
Oh,
Right.
that is the speed. Yeah.
Yeah, and also it's it can continue to work for about 8 hours per day.
Right. And this one can only work for so many hours.
Yeah, I would say maybe 5 or 6.
Okay. And this isn't battery power, is it? This is
Yeah.
It-
No, it's like by charging.
it's charging on that. So, so I'm assuming if this one goes up over 5 hours, does it start getting hot or something like that? Or yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So it's sort of limit. Yeah. Okay. 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 And then we got two here. I'm just going to twist the camera a little bit, just so we can follow those. And here we go. Okay. Cool.
We have the two over here,
Yeah.
and this one has 21 freedom.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
controlled by motors and
Yeah.
cables and right.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Makes sense. And then so it's obviously bigger. So
Right.
that one's that's like a human hand.
hmm
That one's maybe a smaller human hand.
Yeah.
But now we're getting to like a very big
Yeah.
human hand. Yeah.
It's like more flexible. It can like move all of the directions.
Can you go like that?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
no problem. Like very easily, and also the songs can move like up and down and forward and backward.
Right.
Yeah.
Have you got so are these touch sensors as well?
Yeah, it has the touch sensors like at the fingertips.
Oh. And then what about in haptics? Do you work with like haptics?
So what's that?
So haptics is when I can put a glove on
Yeah, yeah,
and pick something up and feel it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
we have the sensor so far.
You got for that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this guy's going nuts. And yeah.
Yeah. So there are only 3 companies making this type of hands, like in the world.
Right.
Tesla and Shadow from UK, right? And
Shadows,
our
yeah, yeah.
company.
Right. So this is a different way of
Controlling.
controlling the hand, because obviously you've got the wires that are coming
Yeah.
through here.
Yeah.
And is that so? What's the difference in the way that they're designed then? Like, what's the end result?
Yeah. So basically, like you can see this part of the hand like would be smaller than this part.
Yeah.
It's like has the same level of freedom.
Right.
So that like the motors are all installed here.
Yeah.
that it's like more bionic,
Right. Right.
like a human hand.
And when people are buying like the humanoids, are they more interested in that hand or that one?
I would say like depend on their applications.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
because like this one is much more flexible, like has 17 active parts and
Right.
4 passive.
And that can do that as well.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
you can see that.
And then the payloads for these two,
Mhm.
like how much can they grip or lift up?
Because this one is super flexible, so maybe I would say around 5 kilograms or 3. Sorry, 几多重? 5 kilograms.
Okay.
So that one would be like 8.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So why is that one so strong? Because that's a big difference.
Yeah. So it's like you can see, like it cannot do this like this kind of freedom. So it's not
Oh.
that flexible. Yeah.
So it's to do with flexibility.
Yeah.
I'm with you. Okay, that makes
Less
sense.
motors, but
Yeah,
much
but
stronger.
much stronger. Yeah. Okay, so that's the difference. You either have flexibility, lighter loads, or you have less flexibility but stronger.
Yeah. Right.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Different features with different hands.
Different hands. Yeah. And this is your. So you have four in the range. So you got Linker hand L10.
This one is 06. Sorry.
That's an L6.
Right.
Oh, okay. So there's more in the range as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then the L30.
This one is 30.
That's 30. Yeah. That's on the screen there.
This one is 20.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. No. I think that's great. I think that's a great like overview. Yeah. Yeah. So thanks, guys. So check these guys out for like robotic hands. Perfect. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cool.